And today we're talking about a pretty morbid subject, but one that has actually come up. What happens, what do you do if you have a tenant who passes away while they are in a lease with you? So what do you do? Number one, wait. Don't do anything is my first advice to you until you get someone who's officially in charge's notice. So sometimes that could be the authorities. The police comes and lets you know. Someone has to notify you of what's going on. And then two, this is going to sound hard, and it is. You can't let anyone access the property. So depending on how things have been set up for your tenant's estate, there's only certain people that are going to be in charge, or if there's no one in charge, someone has to be put in charge. So it can be very complicated, and you don't want anyone accessing their property or taking personal belongings without the estate or the executor knowing about it. And then third, you're going to want to be in touch with that executor, because depending on what the person decided, how they wanted their life to end up, there might be someone that they wanted to give access to that property or continue the lease. So you can't go on and just get things out of the property. You're going to want to coordinate with the executor or the legal the person who is deemed executor. So that could be an attorney, it could be a relative of the tenant. You're going to want to talk to them and see what their plan was for the deceased and their belongings before you do anything. So make sure you coordinate with the executor. It's going to take a lot of sort of talking to them and being in touch with them, because there's so much to do when someone passes away, as far as making sure all of their paperwork is taken care of and making sure all their personal belongings are given to the people that they loved or that loved them, that they'd like a memento. So it's really important. Anyways, it's really nice to see y'all on this. And of course, I'm always here to answer any crazy questions you have about real estate. There's always something fascinating. So if you can't get enough of us, head on over to our YouTube channel at Paris Group Realty, and I'll see you next week. You guys take care. Bye.